Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add contact to your Gmail account. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Then click on Google Apps icon at the top right corner and select Contacts. From the drop down menu in left sidebar, click on Create Contact button. A new contact form will appear. Now fill in the contact details such as their name, email address, phone number, and any additional information you want to include. Once you have entered the contact's information, click on Save button to save the contact to your Gmail account. There you have it. You have successfully added a contact to your Gmail account. It's that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.